Stop scrolling. If you shop online, this hack literally gives you $100 in Temu coupons, and most people don't even know it exists. Here's how it works. The code you need is right here on the screen. But if you want the full $100 coupon bundle, hit the first link in the description. That link takes you straight to Temu's official promo page. From there, just scan the QR code, download the Temu app, and when you open it, the $100 bundle is automatically waiting at checkout. Already using Temu? Easy. Copy the code you see here, paste it in the Temu search bar or at checkout, and boom, you're saving instantly. These coupons apply to almost everything: clothes, gadgets, home finds, you name it. I'll keep updating the link with fresh, working codes only, so you'll never waste time with expired deals. Grab the bundle now, test it out, and let me know in the comments what you scored with your discount. Don't wait, most people sleep on this, and they're literally leaving free money on the table. Happy saving!